Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to model and texture a low poly piano on Blender. Select this cube, press 7 to see the top view and scale up along x-axis like this. Then scale down along z-axis, add a loop cut right here and add a loop cut right here and add a loop cut towards the other side. We select this face, this face, this face and these two faces and extrude. Add a bevel modifier. Then go to add menu and I will add a cube, press 7 to see the top view and then scale down along x-axis, along y-axis, along z-axis and then add a array modifier. Increase count value to 11 and then I will increase factor x and scale down along x-axis, move it along x-axis. Then press Shift T to duplicate and move it along Z-axis, and from the modifier setting decrease count value to 3 and move them along X-axis and scale down along Y-axis. Then adjust the position of these piano buttons. Duplicate these 3 piano buttons and move them along X-axis and place them right here. Again duplicate and move them, decrease count value to 2 and adjust the position of these 2 buttons. After this I will select all these buttons and I will add a bevel modifier, increase segments to 2 and decrease the amount value to 0.08. Then select this surface, add a new material, give it red color. Then select these 3 buttons, these 2 buttons and these 3 buttons. Add a new material and I will give them black color. Press A to select all and shade it smooth. Low poly piano is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reaction in the comment section. And if you want our services, connect us on the LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.